Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Semi Hemi. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off near the top and let's draw a circle for the shape of the head. Now let's hop in and let's draw a line down the center. Now for the eyes, let's draw two circles. Now inside each of the eyes, let's draw a curve across. And then on top, let's draw a curve up and back down. And color both of these pupils in black. Now underneath the right eye, we're going to draw two eyelashes by curving it down and back up like this. And then color them both in black. Now on the bottom right, let's add a curve. And then one more curve on the top left. And that's it for the face. Now let's hop out and let's draw the hair. Let's start on top and let's draw a curve out and bring it down. And then curve it back in underneath. Now underneath on both sides, let's draw a curve out and down. And curve it back up and in. Now underneath, let's hop down and let's leave a small gap and let's draw another curve down and back up. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop underneath and let's draw the body. We'll start with two long angles down. And then close it off at the bottom. Lastly, inside, let's draw another line down in the center. And that's it for Semi Hemi. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!